brewing. This was just about to happen, and now the moment is finally here. We've already seen tensions brewing between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, but it's actually now come down to a dhamki. Just days ahead of the Delhi elections, there are cracks that only have grown wider in the India bloc as the Congress leaders openly have criticized Arvind Kejriwal. They've called him anti-national, Deshdrohi. Now, the Congress is blaming Arvind Kejriwal for Delhi's miserable state. They accuse him of prioritizing personal gains over the alliance's goals.
आज दिल्ली की दुर्दशा और कांग्रेस कमजोर केवल इस वजह से हुई है कि हमने 2014 में उनका समर्थन 40 दिन के लिए किया था। आज दिल्ली की दुर्दशा का एक सबसे बड़ा कारण यही। मैं कभी भी इस चीज का पक्षधर नहीं रहा हूं, ना था और ना रहूंगा कि केजरीवाल जैसे व्यक्ति के ऊपर भरोसा किया जा सकता है। वो एंटी नेशनल है और उसकी कोई विचारधारा नहीं है सिवाय अपने पर्सनल एम्बिशन के।
Now, the Aam Aadmi Party, remember, has issued a 24-hour deadline. They say the Congress needs to act against Ajay Maken. Why? Because Ajay Maken has called Arvind Kejriwal a Deshdrohi. Now, they also say that such statements clearly betray the real problem in the Congress. They've also said that they are ready to have the Congress even ousted. And they say that in case the Congress top brass, the High Command, does not act, they will also be speaking to the other partners in the India Alliance to ensure that the Congress deserves no place in the alliance.
कल कांग्रेस के एक बड़े नेता अजय माकन जी कहते हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी एंटी नेशनल हैं। मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी से पूछना चाहती हूं, आपने आज तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी के किसी भी नेता के खिलाफ ऐसा आरोप लगाया क्या? और अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने नेताओं के खिलाफ एक्शन नहीं लेती है तो फिर आम आदमी पार्टी इंडिया गठबंधन के बाकी सभी घटक दलों से बात करेगी कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ अब एक अलायंस में नहीं रहा जा सकता, क्योंकि ये साफ हो गया है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को चुनाव लड़वाने और चुनाव जिताने का प्रयास कर रही है।
मैं मांग करता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी से कि 24 घंटे के अंदर अजय माकन के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करें, वरना इंडिया गठबंधन के जो और भी घटक दल हैं उनसे हम लोग मांग करेंगे कि कांग्रेस को इंडिया गठबंधन से अलग करें।
अजय माकन जी ने जो दुस्साहस किया है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को एंटी नेशनल बोला है, उनके खिलाफ कांग्रेस को तुरंत कार्रवाई करनी होगी और साथ ही जो यूथ कांग्रेस ने एक झूठी एफआईआर कराई है अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के खिलाफ और इनकम्बेंट सीएम के खिलाफ, उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करनी होगी। नहीं तो हम बाकी घटक दलों से बात करेंगे कि कांग्रेस को गठबंधन से बाहर किया जाए। ऐसा दुस्साहस करने की हिम्मत उनको सिर्फ इसलिए आ रही है क्योंकि उनको बीजेपी से पैसा मिल रहा है।
Now, there's also a response from the BJP. The BJP says that this is exactly what everyone had predicted. They, in fact, also say that the Prime Minister himself has said this during the Lok Sabha campaign, that this is an alliance whose time was actually limited.
पहली बात तो मैं स्पष्ट कर दूं कि इंडिया ब्लॉक जैसी कोई चीज पार्लियामेंट में अस्तित्व में नहीं है। तो एनडीए की विधिवत बैठक हुई जिसमें प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी एनडीए संसदीय दल के नेता चुने गए। इंडिया गठबंधन का कौन नेता है, किसी प्रकार का कोई प्रस्ताव तथा कथित इंडिया गठबंधन के दलों के सांसदों के द्वारा साइन किया हुआ कोई लेटर न लोकसभा अध्यक्ष के पास है न सभापति के पास है। इसका मतलब इनके लिए आज आम आदमी पार्टी जो पहले आम बनती थी अब वो बड़ी खास पार्टी हो गई है।
We also have our colleague Sabyasachi, who's been tracking that development and that story. He joins us live. Sabyasachi, what happens next? You know, the Congress right now is meeting in Belagavi with all their top brass. Do they even have an idea and a response for Arvind Kejriwal? Because they say that if you do not act, if you do not sack Ajay Maken, consider this alliance over.
Well, that's right. See, the Congress party at this particular time, they does not care much about what Arvind Kejriwal or the Aam Aadmi Party currently is saying. Because see, if you talk about this, if you talk about the national capital where there is no alliance, because the Congress said that they are not interested in forming an alliance. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party already had stated that they are not interested in forming any sort of alliance with the Congress. In the state of Punjab also, there is no alliance between the AAP and the Congress. So if you talk about the local Lok Sabha stage, which is quite far from now. So that aspect will be looked into. But clearly yesterday what Mr. Makan had said and the allegation that he has leveled, because while doing the press conference, he has put out 12 points and presented a white paper on the black deeds of the AAP party. Now, in that particular press conference, Ajay Makan stated that Arvind Kejriwal is anti-national and it was the party's mistake to form an alliance with the AAP party back in 2014 for 40 days, and he was not a supporter of Arvind Kejriwal back then, and till now he is not. So clearly this particular remark coming in from Mr. Ajay Makan has affected the Aam Aadmi Party, and that is the reason why today, whether it is Chief Minister Atishi and Sanjay Singh decided to hold a press conference where they have given a deadline of 24 hours to the Congress Party High Command, stating that within 24 hours, Mr. Ajay Makan should apologize or he should be removed from the party post by the High Command. So clearly a lot of treading words has come in from the Aam Aadmi Party, but Congress right now is on attacking mode. Several of their leaders from the national capital, in fact, are trading charges towards the AAP party, stating that it is the Aam Aadmi Party who has time and again failed to deliver on the promises that they have made to the people of the national capital. And it is not the Congress Party who is working in favor of the BJP, but rather it is the Aam Aadmi Party who shares the same ideology like Asauddin's Oisi's party and working as a B team of the Bharatiya Janata Party here in the national capital.
So will the Congress really respond to that? I think that's going to be very, very important. Sabyasachi, why don't you stay with us? Let's also move forward to break the very first response. Remember, that has come in from the Congress